Welcome to today's show. Today we're going to do some geeking out. We're going to try to make we're going to make the floor warmer above a floor that has a suspended ceiling. We built our house 15 years ago and the floors were cold. My brother-in-law said, hey, put a couple vents in there. And then the floor in our closet was always cold, and now I just moved one. I'm going to show you how it's done. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I have these sliders on here, so it's plus 10 Celsius, 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's plus 2 outside. So they're doing a lot. So of course I put a couple inches of styrofoam on the floor here, so that helps a lot. Well, let's go have a look at that. Oh, here's our bedroom floor. I know the ladies in the audience don't get all excited coming into my bedroom. It's probably not as exciting as you think it is. So the floor says 22.3. Let's move into the closet. See what it says there. 20.6. 21. So it's colder, of course. But you can see there's a vent there, and there's no vent here. Let's go downstairs, see how it works. Here we are in the bedroom underneath, and I put a vent over there, you see, and I had to put one right here, but not in the closet. So the closet's our closet. Sorry for the mess, making room to. There's no heat here in case you ever want a cold room, but the rest of the basement has floor heat. So I moved the vent up here. Can you see that it's moving? So you can see it's moving because it's going in and out of focus. Let's go the other one at the other end. There. So you can see they're constantly moving just a little bit. So that tells me air is moving from wherever. And maybe it's coming from another spot, but it's allowing the air to move, so that's keeping it warmer. You know, convection, the air goes, the cold air is always dropping. So I guess I should show you what one of these is. It's just the vent that you put in, turn that register. This is a different style, it goes right in. The other one has just clips. So it's just the end piece. No, I don't know, they're probably 10 bucks. So everything's 10 bucks. But that's all there is to it. You are building a house, and you're going to put this suspended ceiling or any kind of ceiling in here. Just put some vents in a few corners, allow some air to move. I have some in another room, I'll go show you. There. You have them here and here in this little part. I always found this dining room cold upstairs, so I put them above. See, you can see that flickering in the wind. So it's actually, this one's actually moving quite a bit more than the other one. Alright, thanks for watching today's show. I know that's a little geeky, that one, but it sure helped my feet stay warmer. It's not that I'm an old guy with cold feet. Oh, it is that I'm an old guy with cold feet. But, you know, 15 years ago I was a younger guy with a little more hair. I put some vents in the suspended ceiling, and it allows the air to move around. So it allows the air to move around. It allows the air to move around. And that way the cold air falls out of there and is replaced by warmer air. Alright, thanks for watching, and hope you didn't get too excited about the tour of my bedroom. Not everybody gets in there. If you like learning geeky things, subscribe and hit the like button. Hit the bell. Thanks. Later.